Hey everyone, it's Miss Meena. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share this so beautiful Eid party eye makeup look you can do on Eid as Eid is coming. I achieved this makeup look very easily with some tips and tricks. So, what are you waiting for? If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share my video. So, let's start the video.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up.
So first of all, I have done my foundation and eyebrows. You can check the videos on my channel. And now I am applying the Dermacol light base in the ivory shade as a eye base. The result was amazing. It's totally recommended. Next, I am using this Christine highlighter. The number is CN801. You can check. I am going to highlighting my inner eye and brow bone. This will enhance your eye makeup looks and make your eyes look bigger and brighter.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love.
Next, I am using this contour palette of Christine to enhance my crease line. I will apply first of all the lighter shade, then the darker shade with this brush. This brush's review is on my YouTube channel. You can check this video. The brushes is so soft and amazing. If you are beginners, so please check this video, all brushes videos on my YouTube channel. Next, I am going to apply this marble shade. This is really amazing. It's a golden and sea green shade. I am applying this shade with my finger on my eyelid to get amazing result. You can use brushes, but the finger is the best option. You can use a wet brush to get the amazing result as well. The next, I am using this matte shocking pink shade. You can use any shocking pink shade from your palette. Now I am going to blend it with my finger because the blending is awesome. As you can use a small round brush to blend it. Next, I am using these chunky glitters and I am applying with the finger in the middle of my lid area. Next, I am using the Kashi's black gel eyeliner and I applied the really thin winged eyeliner. You can check this video on my YouTube channel if you are beginner. Now I am creating a sharp inner eye, as you can see. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. I don't wanna feel the pain. Now I am applying the Fabulous Lash Mascara on my real lashes before applying my false lashes to get a natural look. Now it's time to apply the false lash. You can check this video. This is a detailed video on my YouTube channel. Now I am using this Kashi's white gel eyeliner. This is super and this will enhance your eyes and your eyes will look the bigger and brighter. I am using this TikTok hack. This is so viral and this amazing result, and I love to do always because it looks like I applied the false lashes on my lower lash line. Please must try this hack and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is bysameenishaq555. I will wait for your reply. And this is the final look. This is so amazing. Hope you enjoy and learn something new. If you enjoy this look, so let's make the lens change. I applied the lens now. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and watch more videos on my channel. Thank you so much.
All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel